How to watch YouTube ad-free on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account on your YouTube application. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon which is at the top right corner of the screen, or you can just rather scroll down or get back and tap on the option of Get YouTube Premium. So tap on it and you'll be able to see different premium versions or packages that you can enjoy from YouTube. So in order to enjoy ad-free YouTube on Android, you have to get the premium, because without premium on the free version, you will not be able to watch YouTube ad-free. This is not a feature that is available. So you have to use any of these packages that is more convenient for you in order to watch YouTube ad-free on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.